ako iba.
I only have one favorite person in the whole Philippines. His face is so chubby. His teeth has a lot of always chocolate. He loves to eat. He loves to prank tatay. He loves to use cellphone, iPad, mama, like that. I love him so much.
Ako yun, kasi I'm chubby.
That kid, I love him so much. You know him?
That's me.
How do you know that's you?
Yes. I'm chubby. I'm taba. I eat always. I use cellphone always.
Ang